Welcome back to the channel. Off to our next hill climb, and this time we're up by Halifax for the sprint at Scammonden Dam. Quite a short circuit this one. Conditions are damp, so not sure how the midget's going to handle. Let's go down to practice. We'll see how we go. So stop for lunch at Scammonden Dam. Short course, not too many people, so lots of runs up and down. Really pleased at the moment, within about 5% of the target time, so things are going well. It's dry. Rock and roll for the afternoon session.
So as we get to the end of the day, on reflect on what was a fantastic day, thank you very much to the MG Car Club Northwest Centre for putting that on. Thank you to all the marshals for supporting the activity. And we go home with some great times achieved for my first outing at Scammonden Dam. So a few little maintenance jobs to do, and then the next outing for the car we'll see it back out at Kerbera for its figure of 8 circuit. See you on the next video.